it just seems with so much kind of chaos and there's so much tumultuousness happening right now in the world and in life that um, the possibility of actually moving in the direction of something meaningful in myself and understanding how to relate to that in a way that's meaningful and useful um, would be challenging unless I had some way of organizing myself in relationship to what I perceive is happening and what the media is saying. And this is our situation, this is my situation in life, that I'm constantly being bombarded with things from outside of myself, and I don't really have a way of understanding what my relationship is to them. And so I see that in order for me to have any possibility there, that I have to be connected to something in myself that's actual. And 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 so my first point of reference for that is coming to this body and connecting to this body, um, not as a concept of how it is or how it looks, but an actual experience or taste of knowing that I have this body and this body's breathing, and that this always I can come back to, and then it begins to kind of anchor me and collect me from being dispersed in whatever's happening and whatever feels like is coming at me in life. And then I have those 9 principles of harmony: um, single moment, single activity, full participation, no judgment, no force. There's 9 of them, but I can take any one of those and then begin to apply it to whatever I'm doing, and it gives me a direction. So it's like collecting myself and giving me a direction and the possibility of actually being present and knowing that I'm here.